Hi guys, and welcome back to Gostech. In this lesson, you will learn how to import files from computer to the Filmora software. All you need to do is click on this media icon here and choose what you want to import. We will import some files here. As you see, the files are imported. Now, if you want, you can use them or not. To import the files on the timeline, you can just drag it down. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And learn always something new every day.